I know what you're thinking. I clicked on a ham radio video. Why are there Blackhawks? Because these guys came out to play while filming, so I threw them in the video. Better than a still photo for the intro. Anyway, welcome back to another ham radio test video. In today's video, we will be testing how your power output affects your transmission. We will be once again using the Yaesu FT4X. This radio has 3 power levels: low, half a watt, medium, 2.5 watts, and high, 5 watts. For the antenna, I picked the overall winner from the last test, the Diamond SRJ77CA. I am taking the same path as last time and using the same transmission spots. Based on a suggestion from the last video, I will be using a 2 meter VHF frequency and seeing if that changes the transmission quality at all. Let's get started.
This is half mile, low power, half a watt. Check. 1, 2, 3. Medium power, 2.5 watts. Check. 1, 2, 3. High power, 5 watt output, half mile range. Check. 1, 2, 3. One mile at half a watt. Check. 1, 2, 3. This is 2.5 watts. Check. 1, 2, 3. 5 watts output. Check. 1, 2, 3. This is half a watt, low power on the radio at 1.5 miles. Check. 1, 2, 3. This is medium power, 2.5 watts at 1.5 mile range. For YouTube video, testing. 1, 2, 3. This is the high power test at 5 watts, 1.5 mile range. Check. 1, 2, 3. This is Cam for EJJ doing a radio test for YouTube. This is 2 mile range at half a watt, low power on the radio. Check. 1, 2, 3. This is 2.5 watts, medium power. Check. 1, 2, 3. 2 mile range. This is 2 mile range at full power, 5 watts. Check. 1, 2, 3. Okay, I'm for EJJ doing a radio test for YouTube. This is low power, half watt at 2.5 mile range from base radio. Check. 1, 2, 3. This is medium power, 2.5 watts, 2.5 miles from base radio. Check. 1, 2, 3. This is high power, 5 watts, 2.5 mile range. Check. 1, 2, 3. This is Cam 4G. Check. 1, 2, 3. This is 2.5 watts at 3 mile range. Check. 1, 2, 3. 3 mile range at 5 watts. Check. 1, 2, 3.
As with last time, I'm surprised by the results. Overall, the radio performed way better than I expected at low power. The medium power well outperformed my expectations as well. There really wasn't a huge difference between the 2.5 watts and 5 watts at 3 miles. As for the UHF versus VHF, there was a slight improvement on the S meter at 3 miles using the VHF, but overall, UHF performed slightly better in the last test, purely using the S meter as a reference. Anyway, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe if you enjoyed the content, and if you have any feedback or suggestion for future videos, leave them in the comments below. Until next time, 73.